Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. We are in East Titusville, Pennsylvania. Got a short grain hopper train coming. Let's check it out. I'll put that window so we can hear the gates. I probably won't get the gates on camera because the cars behind the gates are behind us. I had to plug my phone in for a little bit. I got a couple trucks there before. I got the intermodal container. I got those twice. Gotta stop. Yeah, I gotta stop right now. No, this is a full hopper. I thought it was a Oil Creek Plastics, or I'm sorry, a Charter Plastics train, but it's an Oil Creek Plastics train, actually. That's why some reason I was actually lying. Oh, here's the gates.
I don't think they have to go that far.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put the camera over by the gates anyway. Oh, the conductors are gone. Oh, they're heading. They're hiding on the other side. No, camera will stay on because there's gonna be because we're gonna get a short grain hopper train besides that, and then we'll have 3 grain hopper trains, and then the second hopper will be empty. Excuse me. No, this is the Alco S285 unit, yeah. Also, the other thing is I had to say was it is a Alco, yeah, the OC&T grain hopper doing some work. We had some work earlier with the grain hopper yard, and now same situation with the grain hopper train, or the grain hopper. I was gonna try to end the light power, but no, we're gonna get a few. We're gonna get at least 1 light power train today at least, and that will be the And that will be the open car, before they get the open car train. Excuse me. There's a semi truck right there. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's a Star semi. Got some U-Haul trucks and trailers there too. Here's Armstrong, and here comes the train here. We're gonna have to turn her. Well, turn around's gonna be in order anyway. Well, actually, turn around's gonna be in order. Actually, I didn't see the Star Trek going by up here. Here's the arms for the second time. No. I could actually get the mirror at least.
I know.
I used the mirror to get the train, but right now we got a Star Trek blocking right now. Oh, excuse me. There's the storage. This is probably the last video with this phone, because that rest of the one heading back is going to have to go to the other phone, or unless we'll have to... Bless you. Sounds like you have an allergy again, like you had last time. Yeah, last train event we had an allergy.
And no voice last week.
Last week was no voice, and then the hour. Well, it should be soon. The allergy season should be about done.
It's just starting.
I know the storage said this is probably be the last train with this phone. But we got at least the oil crate plastics in one video at least. Also, my apology about not seeing the Hopper train, because that we had that Star Trek blocking view-wise. Oh, excuse me. We'll wait and approach the 10-minute mark, and then we're gonna get off here. I don't think they're not moving.
Well,
Because if there is, I'm going to have to go to the other phone.
They might be putting that last tanker over here.
Last hopper.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, it's the last grain hopper. Here they come. Well, I'm hoping that the storage can stay on. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get off and get to the other phone. Oh. Because as I said, this is probably the last video no matter what. Good thing I got the other phone out in time. The gate should be going down any second. I was trying to... They're not coming down.
They're right there.
But the truck's gonna have to wait because there's a train coming.
There they go.
There are the gates now. Storage, please stay on. There's a train coming right now.
All they can see is my Jeep. Yeah, put it where they can see it. There you go.
Well, the camera's gonna have to turn off by storage here in a moment.
Hello. Hi. Good. How are you?
Oh my! Oh look! What do we got
give
here?
Me one moment to get out. I have another client with me.
Got a second garbage truck right now. All right. I want to get this one at least, and then I'm gonna get off and get back on with the next train after this goes by, because the storage is out. We about out. Come on. Go get the engine in time real quick. Yep, got a second garbage. We just seen the raccoon and now the WM. The Erie one? No. There you go. WM. There's the intermodal container. There you go. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train after they hooked up. So let me get off here and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert live train video on YouTube from the Oil Creek Plastics in East Titusville, Pennsylvania. Talk to you later. I'm getting the other phone out right now. So let me get off and we'll get back on with this next train. Talk to you later.